You wake up, you go about your morning, and then it hits you. That dry, stale, almost sour taste in your mouth. Maybe if there's somebody around, you say something, they lean back. If nobody's around, you can taste it yourself, and that is morning breath. And if it's bad enough, even brushing your teeth the night before doesn't help. Now, here's the thing. Bad breath isn't just some random, unavoidable thing. There's an actual reason why it happens. And more importantly, there's a way to fix it. So most people try to cover it up with some gum, mouthwash, maybe even brushing harder, which I don't recommend you do, and I'll let you know why later. And doing this doesn't actually solve the problem. It just masks the issue. If you do this one thing every morning, you will wake up with a fresher breath without having to rely on mints, without having to rely on mouthwash, which actually dries out your mouth in some cases, and I'll show you what actually works. Morning breath isn't just a random thing. It's a biological process that happens to everybody. But if yours is bad, like clear the room bad, then there is a reason for it. And a lot of people make this mistake, which ends up making the issue worse without even realizing it. So let's break this down. Why does your breath smell bad in the morning? Your mouth is basically a petri dish overnight. And here's what's happening while you sleep. So your saliva production drops by 90% while you're sleeping. And if you think of saliva, it's like your body's natural mouthwash. So when that disappears, bacteria starts to thrive. And bacteria start multiplying like crazy. So they feast on things like protein, leftover food, maybe even some dead cells. And what they do in return is they release sulfur compounds. And it's these sulfur compounds is what actually makes your mouth smell like rotten eggs. And mouth breathing actually makes it worse because when you're sleeping, your saliva dries up completely. And your tongue is a bacteria sponge. So it traps things like food, dead cells, and these smelly sulfur compounds. So what do most people do? They grab mint, gum, maybe some mouthwash, thinking it's going to solve the problem. And it does actually fix the problem for about an hour. And then by midday, that problem is back. The bad breath is back. And here's what actually doesn't fix it long term. So using an alcohol-based mouthwash, which might kill all the bacteria, which is another topic on its own, what the alcohol has is it lowers the saliva production. It dries out your mouth. So it actually makes the problem worse. And if you're chewing gum, it could mask the smell, but it's not going to fix the underlying cause. If you want to wake up with a fresh breath every morning, here's what actually works and here's what you need to do. It's a 6-step routine I suggest you follow. And the first thing I suggest you do before doing anything else is drink some water. So as soon as you wake up, before brushing your teeth, drink a glass of water. And what that does is it helps elevate the saliva production levels. So once that goes up, that helps flush away all those sulfur compounds that have built up overnight. And the second thing I suggest you do is scraping your tongue. And that's not optional. So about 80 to 90% of bad breath actually comes from your tongue. And what happens is when you scrape your tongue, that removes more bacteria than just brushing. And studies show that scraping your tongue can actually reduce those sulfur compounds by up to 75%. And the third thing I suggest you do is brushing properly. So use a fluoride toothpaste, brush your tongue as well, gums, a bit of the roof of your mouth, and most people just brush their teeth and ignore those bacteria-covered areas. And when you brush your teeth, I suggest you use a soft bristle toothbrush, do it in small circular motions, and there's a technique for that. So I just suggest you go gentle on your gums. Make sure you're not using a hard bristle toothbrush. Don't aggressively brush your gums. The fourth thing you should be doing is flossing every morning. And I know you might think there's no food particles stuck in between your teeth because you probably flossed the night before. But what happens is when you brush, you clean only 60% of the tooth structure. So there's still 40% of your teeth or 40% of the tooth structure that's still untouched, and bacteria accumulates in there, and these are hidden spots for the bacteria to release that bad smell. And last but not least, you should not be skipping breakfast. So what happens is when you chew food in the morning, you help jumpstart the saliva process. So that helps naturally clean your mouth. And the best foods for that are things like celery, leafy greens, apple, yogurt, and I would try and stay away from things like onion, coffee, garlic. And if you're doing all of this and you're still experiencing bad breath in the morning, you might be having something else going on. You could be having tonsil stones. So these are like small, stinky white lumps that are stuck in your tonsils. You could be having gum disease, especially if you notice bleeding when you're brushing. And you could also be having acid reflux. So that's when stomach acid creeps up overnight, and that can also cause bad breath. And if any of these sound familiar, fixing your morning routine won't actually be enough. You need to see a dentist.